Hi guys, you might remember me from a long time ago, like a year or so back, and it's kind of upsetting because I haven't been posting videos for you. Who does that? I need to post videos for you every day. Okay, maybe some days. So today, I'm just saying, I'm not new. Hi, today I will be teaching y'all how to make slime. I didn't make it in the trash. Wow. Now I have to walk up. Be right back. Well, that was a second and I had to pause it. Anyway, you might see me in this chair. So first, you will need it's called Sandy Hands for Kids. That's what you will need. It needs to be this one. Okay, there we go. Lay that down on like a surface. I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you. You need two of them, so put down one like so. And then take another one and lay it down like so. Got it? Put it over here. Next, y'all will need some Kids spray on detangler. Spray it on the mat like so. Wait, I blocked the camera. Like so. Oh, this might be toxic. Oh, jeez. Snakes. This strong. The smell of these are very strong. So yeah, there you go. Now you will need a doll. Wait, a doll right here. Put it down. Well, you can't even see the doll. I'm moving this. There you go. Now you will need these dolls that are staying on the outside. And put them right on the outside of them. Sorry if my hand's in the way. Now, we need to spray it far away so don't get the doll messed up. This doll was $50, but it's going to disappear anyway. Oh, I got something on my camera. Oh well. Come on, let's get it out. Alright, there we go. That's done. We're going to need a necklace for the doll, and it has to say, "You are my sunshine." Put it around the doll. Oh, the doll fell. Okay, there we go. There you go. Doesn't have. It has to be three little dolls, and yeah. And then after that, we're all done. So now, just let's wait. Let's wait an hour or two. Yeah. Okay, guys, it has been an hour, so we're gonna check it. There's nothing there, and no slime, no nothing, just clear, shiny because of the wetness. So we're gonna wait 1 more hour and see if anything happens. Bye. Okay, guys, it's been another hour, so we're gonna check. Oh my gosh! Look at it! Oh my god! Look! Oh my god! It almost fell. Oh my god! It almost fell off. But it's goopy here. I'm gonna sit down so you guys can see it better. So from this experiment I did, I got black slime. Oh my god. Black slime. And well, yeah, it's nice. It's squishy. But if you want to make it moisturized and smell good, here comes the Kids Spray On Detangler. Spray it on there. It might be toxic. But I'm doing it anyway. Shit. Oh my god, it feels like freaking water. And yeah, it is super slip. It's super dental too. That's what I just noticed. If you try to hold it, your fingers go right through it. And yeah, let's try to scoop all this detangler up. Oh god. Yeah. Well, yeah. Pranked you? Just kidding. I did not make but that Sandy Hands for Kids and that doll thingy to get slime. It is not how you make slime. P.S. I don't know how to make slime. So yeah, I know that's not how you make slime. Now, bam! Here's the container to it. Bam! That is done. Anyway, let's take this, put it in here. See, nothing's gone. Here, I bought this from Dollar General. I'm not faking you. Shake it up. The Sandy hand stuff's still here, the doll's still here, but the good thing about the Sandy hands is that you can clean up this spot that I just left on the table. On the table, throw that away. Shut the Sandy hands, and look what you got, a pile of slime. But just kidding, it was not slime. Alright, so tomorrow I might do a morning routine, and yeah. But right now, this is going to be the night routine. I'm going to post one more video before I go to bed. So, bye!